Hey, happy Friday. This is Bethany from Third Story Threads. Today we're going to talk about fat quarters. So typically, well, not typically, always, a quarter yard of fabric is 9 inches by width of fabric, which is usually about 42 inches to 44 inches. So the purpose of a fat quarter is to give you the same area of fabric, but it is a different size so that you can cut bigger pieces that are, more than 9 inches wide. So we are going to cut a fat quarter. We're cutting this Figo Space Dye Woven bundle. So a fat quarter is a half of a half yard. So we're going to cut at 18 inches. And we always cut our fat quarters a tiny bit bigger just so that we don't ever short anybody. So we've got our 18 inches. We still have this folded in half. Sometimes the fabric manufacturers will get these a little off skew. So what we do is we line up the edges, kind of shake it out. And then I take a ruler, stick it on here, and I slide this down. So now I have my fabric still folded in half, and I am going to cut the very tiniest sliver off of the folded edge. These are so cute when you have like a bunch of them. It's like confetti. And now we're left with our two pieces that are 18 by 21 to 22 inches. Just kind of fold it up all cute. There's many ways to fold these, but we do these hamburger, and then hot dog. And there you have it.